So everybody, let's learn the twist drop. If you're in the salsa, open break, 1, 2, 3, roll the lady out, roll the lady in, and we're ready to execute. Not yet, I'm not showing it to you. If you're going bachata, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, next to you, 1, 2, 3, and bring the lady completely flat, hip to hip. And there's 3 phases we want to go. Expand your left leg to the side and lean the lady with you. Ladies, don't lift your right leg up because that will make you slide and fall. In the second part, you want the lady to face the floor. So we have 3 phases. We lean, the lady will look at the floor, number 2, and then the twist and drop. Try it at your own risk, but you're going to have some fun with this. And 1, 2,